Mark-a-yen, a buck or a pound, a mark-a-yen, a buck or a pound is all that makes the world go round. That clinking, clanking sound that makes the world go round. Money, 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 money. If you happen to be rich and you feel like a nice entertainment, you can pay for gay escapades. If you happen to be rich and alone and you need a companion, you can ring ting-a-ling for some mate. When you haven't any coal in your stove and you freeze in the winter and you curse to the wind at your face. When you haven't any shoes on your feet, your coat's thin as paper and you look 30 pounds underweight. Money, 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 get a little money, 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 Mark-a-yen, a buck for a pound. That clinking, clanking, clunking sound is all that makes the world go round. It makes the world go round.
Guess how much I weigh?
Why, I'd say in the vicinity of 180 pounds.
No, guess again.
Not so much?
No, more.
Well,
I weigh 207 pounds. I'm 6 feet 1 and 1/2 inches tall on my bare feet.
you'll be lonely when she passes on, won't you? I know what that means.
To be alone?
I loved someone once.
I like the dark. The dark is comforting to me.
I've never seen you in the light. That's a fact. Never seen you in the afternoon.
I met you at the plant in the afternoon.
Not on Sunday afternoon. You lied to me, Blanche.
Don't say I lied to you.
Lies! Lies inside and out! All lies!
Never inside. I never lied in my heart.
Hey, it's Michael, aka Oscar Man. Join us for weekly videos and daily polls where you vote like an Academy member.